Please don't tell nobody.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another Secret Santa video and it's going to be my sister's. So, I probably look different than I do in December because we're filming this video early because I'm in Ohio and her Secret Santa gave me her gift to give her now, so waiting for her to sit down, but she's too busy playing with the light that I'm not going to use.
Well, I want to use it.
Okay, so while I wait for her to get ready, yeah. Okay, my sister has chosen to sit on the floor, and yeah, so here's her Secret Santa gifts. There you go.
It's all in there?
Yes, there's just 3 things.
Oh, thank you.
No,
Stocking.
that's mine for my Halloween costume. Great wrapping.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yes, your Secret Santa wants to know if it will fit you, or if they need to get you a new one, or...
Oh, it's cute. It's an infinity thing.
She's struggling to do the zipper.
Let's see. Oh, it's perfect. I like it. This is cute.
That's nice. Okay, so that's one of your gifts.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, this is fuzzy. I like
That
it.
thing that's in there that's not wrapped is also yours.
This?
The thing that's not wrapped is also yours. Right under it.
Oh, wait. Who's all doing this?
You want me to tell you every single person?
Well, whoever did it has nice handwriting.
She's like, oh, that's not my brother. That better not have whoever it is in there, because you're supposed to guess.
This is very cute.
Just in case if they write their name somewhere, can you guess who it is?
What?
Just guess who it is. In case that they wrote their name in there or something.
Miracle.
Okay, I'll tell you when you're done.
Or Annika.
Miracle or Annika? That's your guess. Okay.
Very nice. I love this. This is very cute.
Okay.
So cute.
And that's the last thing they got you?
Perfect.
Don't know what that is, but okay.
It'll make my face look better.
Can you put it up to your face and smile? So I can get a good thumbnail? Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so your guess was Miracle or Annika. Neither of those were correct.
It was Mom.
No.
Who was it?
Jason.
Who did their handwriting?
Brandy. Brandy basically did everything for
Oh,
Jason.
how cute. Jason did all this?
Well, Brandy and Jason, I guess.
That's nice.
But anyways, yeah, that was her Secret Santa thing. And, okay. Say Merry Christmas. So
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. And
Aww.
you're supposed to say bye.
Bye.